on the road again with the wind in my hair, making memories with my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads and the sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high, Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air, hand in hand, there's no need to choose, just me, my girl.
It's a beautiful day.
So far.
Yep. June 1st.
Woohoo!
Wow. So far we've get some good weather, and it's supposed to continue for the rest of the week too. Wow.
That's a bonus.
So hopefully we'll be riding as much as we can. Oh, I smell peanut butter from the peanut butter factory.
Woo. Yeah, that's where John took me on our honeymoon. No. I'm going to Massachusetts. I don't want a honeymoon. Every day's a honeymoon.
There we are.
Does that sound better?
That's right. That's right.
That's right.
So we're just going to go for a ride. I don't know what we're going to do. Get some wind therapy. So stay tuned. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell, and the thumbs up, and leave a comment. Anything else, son?
Smack it? I don't know. Oh, you said hit the bell, so yeah. I meant smack him.
Oh, woo!
Setting out on our adventure, feeling free, riding through the hills where the wild winds be. Through CanAm shining in the light, country roads are calling day and night. Mountains standing tall so high, rolling hills beneath the sky. Perfect picture painted clear, every moment brings us nowhere. Oh, the open road, it sings to me, through the valleys, wild and free. Pennsylvania sky so wide, with you right here by my side. Sunset colors fill the air, golden moments we both share. Engine humming like a song, taking us where we belong. Rivers flowing soft and slow, feel the green begin to glow. Every turn a new surprise, sparkling bright in our eyes. So the open road, it sings to me, through the valleys, wild and free. Pennsylvania sky so wide, with you right here by my side. Oh, the open road, it sings to me, through the valleys, wild and free. Pennsylvania sky so wide, with you right here by my side.
Okay, we're in Reynoldsville.
Sleepy little town of Reynoldsville.
Yep.
Half the businesses are closed, except for the bars. Well, some bars.
Mm-hmm.
Got a moose.
Hi,
Moose. And a big Dalmatian and truck. cute though. Historic buildings.
Yep.
Look at that one. There, yeah. That one says 1893.
Oh, gas is cheap here, 54. I could get gas, but I'll wait.
On the way back.
If we come this way.
Yeah.
A sleepy, sleepy town.
1887.
Well, we just stopped at Dutch.
Pantry.
Wait, well, I was waiting for the truck to go by.
Oh, sorry.
We don't know if it's going to make a difference. Dutch Pantry, there we go.
Yeah. We've been there
Yeah,
about a handful of times now.
we never had a bad meal there yet.
Nope. Very good.
It fills the belly.
Yep. And you can also guess what John had.
No, what? What did I eat?
Burger. My burger boy.
I had a bacon burger.
Oh, sorry.
It's a difference.
All right, I'll just say beef next time.
Okay.
I'll have to figure it out. Did you guess what John had for lunch today?
Leave it in the comments below.
Yeah. I had a Reuben. My go-to if I don't have a salad.
Yeah,
That was good too.
good food. Now we're heading home. We're taking a long way. We're going through Brockway and picking up 28 and heading home. We're gonna feed our little rugrats.
Ankle biters. No, we're talking about our dogs, folks, not our kids. Oh
I didn't have any kids.
yeah, that's right. John didn't have kids. I had 3. I'm happy about that. He has kids. Don't listen to him. He's got 2 girls. I got 2 girls and a boy. Meow. Meow.
So stay tuned for our next little clip that I might do. I don't know.
I might clip.
I might clip. Losing my mind.
What happens in old age, honey?
Oh, mind over matter. If you don't have a mind, it doesn't matter.
That's right.
Live each day as if it was your last.
That's right.
This is Brockway. On Route 28. Not much going on in here.
No, sleepy little town.
They got some nice old houses.
Definitely not like Brookville.
Yeah. This ain't as big.
No.
Another sleepy little town. Da, 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 da. Well, that's about it.
Yep.
I want a chair.
No.
Oh. Wow! What a view! Yes, sir. It's so nice. Oh, by the way, we got one of them airflow seat covers on Blue too. and it's nice. You get on it after parking in the sun, and the seat is not hot at all.
Nope.
A big thumbs up for airflow seat covers.
Here's a plug.
Yeah, there you go.
It's a good plug.
Yeah. Very comfortable, and we don't have swamp butt.
That sounds so gross. But it's true. It's airflow for a reason.
Yep. You got, ooh, nice and cool butt. Okay, done with my pitch. He's winking at us. Oh, he's turning.
Oh, see, I told you they have blinkers.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, I'm blinking.
Oh, we had a clip clop, but it decided to turn. Yep. We were just talking about that.
Yeah. Do they have blinkers and stoplights and stuff? And I think they should.
Mm-hmm.
They're on the roads. They should obey with the road rules.
And I believe they do.
We have proof. He's got his four-way hazards on. How cute is that?
There we go. Clip clop, clip clop, clip clop. Wow, 2 in a row.
Oh, we're in the city here
We're in the city.
of the Amish.
We just seen Bob and Amy.
My sister.
Sisters. So we turned around and chatted because we're heading home to feed the puppies.
We're gonna hook up tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, that's the plan.
That's the plan.
We will see. All right. Now we're going to go up this crazy road. That's one direction.
Which makes no sense to me. It should be a one-way.
Yeah.
When everybody's parked here on a Sunday and everybody's home.
It's a Monday, dear.
Yeah, I know. I said when
Oh.
it's Sunday and everybody's at home. I can't imagine.
All right. Oh, I all righted.
You know, it's only one all right.
I did well.
Yes, you did. Because you know, every well now is up to $100. Absolutely. It started at $1, but you know, 5 years later, it's up to $100 now.
And now that she's my wife, she's doubling it.
I'm not that mean. If I'd go to 1,000 if it was for that.
Wow.
You'll be broke in no time, honey. Okay.
Hi, hospital. Doctor's office, or whatever you are. You gave me a bad MRI.
Review it. Write a review.
On the road again with the wind in my hair, making memories with my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads and the sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high, Western PA answers under the sky. Every turn we take feels like in our CanAm Spyder named Blue. 2 miles are flying, but we don't care, with the sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose, just me, my girl, and our Spyder Blue. But we don't care, with the sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose, just me, my girl, and our Spyder Blue. But we don't care, with the sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose, just me, my girl, and our Spyder Blue.
Yeah. Oh, sweet. Oh.
Chickens.
Really got into it there, didn't you?
Yeah, I was looking at the chickens.
Oh. Well, thanks for coming along with us. And don't forget, like, share, leave a comment, subscribe,
Tell your friends.
do it all.
Just do it all.
And thanks to our subscribers.
Every moment feels the same. If the wind, our hearts stay true. Always me and you in blue. Laughing loud with the sky so wide. Adventures calling from every side. Through the curves, the road shines new. Guided by our trusty blue. Side by side.